Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on the dollar futures. I had a client ask about it in the room today, and found a couple of zones of resistance here. So I did want to make you aware of that. The zones of resistance that I have are 91.6370 or so to 91.7075 and 92.0531 to 92.0700. Okay, so I just want you to be aware of those. We are below the 200, but now we are above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So typically this would be considered almost a counter trend trade because we have most of the moving averages on our side. But you have these zones of resistance. If you would like to trade it for a short, I just want you to please always wait for a trigger. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have an awesome evening, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.